One tilt of her chin, and every memory turned to ash. I thought fixing the photo was kindness. Wrong. I thought Mom's tears were grief. Wrong. I thought Dad lay peaceful in velvet and oak. Wrong. Flames lick the album now, plastic pages curling like screaming lips. Mom's whisper slithers through the smoke. He never left. Footsteps answer overhead, slow, deliberate. Hours. The fire pops. I flinch. She grips my wrist. Ice bone, trap. We didn't bury him. We buried his name. I don't know who's upstairs. I don't know who's holding me. I still make pancakes the way he liked. 2 eggs, splash of vanilla, smiley face swirl. Saturday ritual board game night follows. I let Mom win at Scrabble so she'll laugh. Bedtime stories for her now, not me. I tuck the blanket to her chin, kiss the papery cheek, say see you in the morning like nothing is missing. House feels full. His coffee mug waits in the sink. I leave soap bubbles in it so the scent stays. I spray his pillow with the same cologne. I play his playlist low. While I fold laundry I hum off-key. Upstairs the attic door sighs when heat kicks on. I ignore it. Normal houses breathe. Night check. Front lock, back lock, attic lock, twist, tug, done. I do it twice because he always did. Habit, not worry. I slide the portrait from the mantel, polish the glass. He grins, sunburned, fish in hand. Last summer's lake. I set the frame back. Something tilts in me. Not the picture. I blame fatigue. Mom calls for more tea. I hurry. Steam fogs my watch. Time feels stretchy. I tell myself grief bends clocks. I stir honey. She sips, thanks me. Normal voice, normal eyes. I exhale. Only later do I notice the frame upside down. I never put it that way. Maybe I did. Maybe the hook slipped. Maybe I slide the frame off the wall. My thumbs find the wire. I flip it right side up. Dad smiles the wrong way. I wait for relief. It doesn't come. Mom watches from the couch. She doesn't blink. She nods tiny once like I passed a test. My stomach falls through the carpet. I ask if she wants water. She says nothing. I flee to the kitchen. The tap roars. My hands vibrate. Water spills. I don't feel it. I grip the sink. Porcelain. Cold breath. Stuck halfway. I count to 5. Air crawls in. Tastes like copper. I tell myself I'm tired. I tell myself a nod means thank you. I tell myself Dad's eyes are right side up now. They're still crooked. The hallway hums. I walk at each step softer like the floor remembers him and flinches. I pass the attic door lock dangling open. A crack. Dark breathes out. I keep walking. I don't look up. Night comes. House quiets. Mom's door clicks. I wait. She snores. I slide from bed. Floorboards creak. Under socks I climb. Pull string. Bulb wakes. Dust swims. One box labeled anniversary in red pen. My writing. I don't remember. I peel tape. It screams cardboard size inside. Leather album gold embossed. Not hours. I open first page. Mom in white veil. Perfect man beside her. Dad's face not dad. Birthmark missing left cheek smooth. I turn pages. Kisses. Cake streamers. Date stamped 30 years ago. I was -4. My heart punches ribs. I taste iron. I shut the album. I shove it back. Tape won't stick. I press harder. I stand. Head bumps. Beam dust showers. I choke. I leave the light on. I close the hatch. I walk backward. Each step colder. I reach my room. Door shuts. I stare at the dark. I hold my breath. I listen. Something shifts above. One soft footstep, then nothing. I thought this was the worst part. The album, the twin, the lie. I walk downstairs. Mom's at the table. Her eyes are red. She doesn't speak. I place the album between us. She flinches. I say nothing. She touches the cover. Her fingers shake. She whispers it was grief, just grief, a way to cope. She says the twin died years ago. Car crash. She buried him twice. Once in the ground, once in her mind. I believe her. I need to. We take the album outside. The fire pit waits dry. Leaves crackle. I strike the match. Pages curl. Faces melt. The happy couple burns. It's not our story. It never was. Smoke climbs. I breathe it in. It tastes like relief, like endings. Mom hugs me tight, too tight. She says it's over. We're safe. I nod. I cry. I let go. We watch the ashes rise. They look like snow. I pretend they are. I go inside, I wash my hands, the sink runs black, then clear. I sit on my bed, I breathe for the first time in days. I lie back, I close my eyes, I almost sleep, then she says it's soft. Behind the door, he's still in the house, I open my eyes, I sit up. I hear it, one footstep above, not in the attic, above me, my room. I freeze, I wait, another step, slow, deliberate. I don't breathe, I don't blink. The floor creaks, once more, then silence. I stand, I don't know why. I reach the door, my hand stops, I don't open it, I cow. I press my ear to the wood, nothing then. A knock from inside the wall. I press my back to the door, the knock came from inside the wall. Not the hallway, inside my heart. Forgets how to beat, I count 4 thuds. They match my pulse, they are my pulse, I whisper Dad's name, no answer. I never expected one, I slide down, wood bites my spine. I stare at the dark stares back, I think about the casket closed. Mom said car crash damage, I believed her, I wanted to. I think about the album, ashes now flakes, still warm in the grate. Mom's tears on my shirt, her lips at my ear, he's still in the house. I taste iron, I bit my tongue, I don't remember when. I crawl to the vent, metal teeth, cold air breathes out, it smells like pine. Dad's cologne, the one he saved for Christmas, I speak into the grate. I ask who's there, my voice cracks like ice, no words return, only breath measured. Familiar, I remember the lock, attic lock, Dad checked it twice a night. I thought he was afraid, maybe, he was guarding, maybe, he was trapped, I stand. Knees betray me, I open the door, hallway black, the bulb is dead. I left it burning, I touch, the switch, glass missing wires, naked, someone unscrewed it. Recently thread still warm, I step, floor groans, I know each note. This one is new, a different weight, not mine, not Mom's. I reach the attic hatch, cord swings, it never swings. It moves like someone, just let go, I pull, ladder yawns, I climb. Each rung a promise I can't keep, inside moon, through vent ash drifts. The box is gone, only dust outline and footprints leading in, not out, I follow. To the far beam, where Dad kept the lockbox, where I found the album. It's open, empty, except a key, brass worn. Initials, not Dad's, not Mom's, mine. My baby key, crib key, they said I swallowed it, they said it passed. It's here clean, I pick it up, it burns, not cold, not hot, guilty. Behind me a breath, I turn, nothing, but the dust, it settles in a shape. Tall, wide arms open, I speak, I ask what he wants. The dust does not answer, it falls, revealing the truth I refuse. We didn't bury Dad, we buried the twin, Dad never left, Mom knew. She married the monster, she locked the saint, now the saint is free. Or the monster is, I can't tell them apart, I hold the key. I feel the lock in my chest, click, I must choose, open the house. Open myself or run, I hear the front door, home from the neighbor, S. Her key slides, metal on metal, same sound as mine, I stare at the key. It's still warm from my pocket, Mom's footsteps echo behind me, she's humming. Same lullaby she used to sing to me, I used to feel safe. I don't now, I thought I buried my dad, I thought I mourned him. But the casket was empty, the man I called Dad, was he ever really mine? I thought she locked the monster, but what if she locked the wrong one? What if the twin was the good one? What if my father was the evil? I remember the way he looked at me, too long, too still. Like he was memorizing me, like he was planning. I remember the attic lock. The way he checked it twice, not to keep something out, to keep something in. I thought I was saving us, burning the album, ending the lie, but she whispered. He's still in the house. I thought she meant the twin. But what if she meant him? What if he never left? What if he's been watching? I feel the key in my hand. It's heavier now. Like it knows. I hear her voice, soft, closer. She's calling my name. I don't answer. I thought I understood, but I do. I thought I had a choice, but maybe I never did. I thought the monster was locked away. But what if he's been living here all along? What if he's been wearing my father's face? What if he's been wearing mine? I hear footsteps upstairs, not Mom's, slower, heavier. I thought I was alone, I'm not. I thought I could run, I can't. I thought I had time, I do. The key burns in my palm, the lock waits, the house breathes. I don't know who's upstairs. I don't know who's behind me. I don't know who I am anymore. I turn the key.